and non-living things. The world around us is full of things, big and small. Things that exist freely in nature are called natural things, while those that are made by man for his use and convenience are called man-made things. All natural things are either living or non-living. Plants and animals, birds, insects, and even we human beings are examples of living things. Rivers and mountains are natural but are non-living things. Things such as books, toys, and many such things are man-made things. Let us understand how living things differ from non-living things. Living things breathe. All living things like humans, plants, and animals breathe air using different organs. Human beings, animals like cows, monkeys, and dogs breathe through their lungs. Fish breathe through their gills. Plants take in air through very tiny openings on their leaves called stomata. Non-living things do not breathe. Living things grow. All living things grow. A sapling or a baby plant mostly grows out of a seed and becomes a tree. Human babies and young ones of animals grow older, changing in shape and size too. Look at your photographs when you were born. Then see your latest ones. You will notice that you have grown, haven't you? Non-living things do not grow. Living things need food and water to live. In addition to air, all living things need food and water to live. Plants prepare their own food. Animals get their food either from plants or from other animals. The deer feeds on grass, whereas the tiger eats deer and other animals for food. Birds feed on seeds, fruits, as well as small insects. Humans depend on both plants and animals for their food. Non-living things do not need food or water. Living things can move. All living things can move from one place to another in some way or the other. Many animals move in search of food, water, and shelter. Plants cannot move from one place to another, but do show some amount of movement in the form of blooming or growing in the direction of sunlight. Non-living things cannot move from one place to another on their own. We make non-living things move when we drive a car, fly a kite, or wipe our hands with a towel. Non-living things cannot move without help. Living things sense their surroundings. All living things sense their surroundings and most often respond to it. They do this with the help of their sense organs such as eyes, ears, nose, skin, and tongue. Dogs have a very strong sense of smell and are often used to solve thefts and other crimes. Besides this, animals like cats and dogs are kept as pets for their affections and companionship. Some birds are also able to sense an oncoming danger. The touch-me-not plant closes its leaves as if shying upon anyone touching it. This happens because it is sensitive to touch. Non-living things cannot sense their surroundings. Living things reproduce. All living things reproduce young ones of their own kind. Animals reproduce either by laying eggs or by giving birth to their young ones. Most plants produce seeds. These seeds grow into baby plants when they get adequate sunlight, water, soil, and fresh air. Non-living things do not reproduce. Living things have a lifespan. All living things grow old and die. Some living things have a very short life, while some others live for several years. They all have a lifespan. A housefly lives for 20 to 30 days. A dog lives for 13 to 15 years. A tortoise lives for 150 years. Human beings live for 70 to 85 years. American redwood trees have a lifespan of 500 to 700 years. Non-living things have no life, so they do not die.